See? Ah, I want more. Ah, bread god, bread god, bread god. Oh, there they go.
Just.
Yes. Give me more, give me more. More bread. Oh. Here comes a little one.
We thought these were.
More,
what did we think these were? We thought they were what, raccoons?
I thought it was a raccoon.
But they're not raccoons, and we can't figure out what they are,
It's
though.
like the ones last night.
The ones like standing up. How cute!
Oh, bread god, bread god. It's raining bread.
I've only got a half a thing of bread left. I'm gonna have to go to the restaurant and get some more bread.
More, he's clapping. More, look at him. Yeah, man. This is good shit. Just don't. Oh, no fighting. Here comes another one. Wow. Yeah.
That's all the bread, guys.
That's it? You threw all of it for him?
1.5 pieces. I threw out for them. Oh, look at the baby. The baby's going away. I hope they got full. Well, they probably didn't. There was only 1.5 pieces.
We'll go hang out at the snack bar and get lots of food.
There's.
No, sorry, dude. No more.
I love that
No
one.
more.
That big one.
Aw.
He jumps up and holds his paws up.
I know. I want more.
There's like
no more, dude.
1, 2, 3,
They're
4.
going around. There's still little pieces they're finding.
Yeah.
Sure didn't take them long to come over here, did it?
No.
What are you? What kind of creature are you?
They're
Oh,
so
bite.
cute.
9 of them, 10.
Yeah. It looks like a mommy and a daddy.
2, 3, 4.
Hey, is that one going to the bathroom? It is. He's going.
He's gonna grab some bread.